Hello, welcome to Claire Technologies. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, please subscribe, share, and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we uploaded a new video. Okay, in this video, we will going to discuss how you are going to send an email from your MuleSoft application by using email connector. Okay, to do that we need to use SMTP protocol. How we can use and how to configure that I'll explain you. So for that I have already built an application and deployed it to save time. So I'll walk you through all these steps how we need to implement. Okay, so let's get started. So to send any email from MuleSoft application, you need to use email connector, and in that email connector we have lot of operations available because in Mule 4 we have lot of operation based connectors. If you can check with email, you can see send on new email, mark as read, list. Like this we have lot of operations. You need to use send operation to send an email. Okay, so let us see. So you need to drag and drop the send connector here. Let us see how we can configure it. So I'm just using one HTTP listener, and I have configured with some port and path to test it. So I'll show you. Let's go double click on the send connector. It will open up the properties. I will explain you how to configure that by showing the properties. Let it open. Yeah. So you need to configure this global connector once. So I'll click on edit here. I'll show you what are the properties. So here in host you need to give smtp.gmail.com. These are the defined, predefined values. Port you should use 587. Okay, and you need to use your Gmail ID from which you are going to configure, and you need to use your Gmail account password here. Okay, and you need to do one more configuration, that is in this advanced tab. By default it would be like a none or expression. You need to select it, edit inline, and you need to add one property here, like by this using this add property, and you need to provide the key and value, and this is the key mail.smtp.starttls.enable, and value is true. I will provide this variable and the SMTP connector details also in description box so that you will configure in the same way. So you need to add this property. These two we need to do in global configuration, and in the connector level itself you need to provide the from address, from which Gmail address you are going to send email. and here two addresses. By default it is like a bean reference or expression. You need to select it, edit inline, and if you want to send to multiple recipients, you can add the multiple two addresses here by using this plus icon. So for now I am sending to only one recipient, so I just add one address and I have given this Gmail. So once I execute this, my Gmail will send from this from address to this to address. So I can expect a new email for this multest.dec@gmail.com. And one more thing, you need to configure the subject here. In the subject bar you can give it as dynamically or statically, it's your wish. And body, email body, you can configure it here. So as this is demo, I have hard coded the values. You can send any dynamic value in your project requirement. So subject content you need to provide here, and rest of the part you can ignore it. So once you do all these changes and you send it, when you deployed it, you are good to test your application. And before that, you need to do one more change for your Gmail account to be sent, because by default Google won't allow you to send emails outside your Google app. It means like if you are going to use the Gmail app or Google, then only you are able to send emails. But now here we are sending email by using this MuleSoft connector, so which is a third party outside of Google product, right? So to enable this feature, you need to do one change. I'll show you that. So you have to do, you need to use one email, you need to use one this URL. By using this URL, you need to enable less secure apps. I'll provide this URL in description box, and now I will show you how to do that. So just log in into this URL, select the Gmail account from which you are configured here, this global connector. So here I have configured MuleSoft test mail clart@gmail.com, right? So you need to log in with that Gmail and with that password into this URL. And once you logged in here, this is the another email. So once you logged in here, it will show you allow less secure apps off. You need to enable it. You need to just click on this, so it will enable the secure apps. So I will show you. Yeah, MuleSoft gmail.com clart, which is I have used. See, I enabled it. So once you click on that button, it will enable and it will show you on. Now you are good to send emails from outside of your Google account, which means from your MuleSoft application you are good to send emails. So as this is already deployed, I am going to test this application. So localhost 8778 send mail, this is the one which I have configured for my HTTP listener. So I'm just sending this. So it will take some time and it will send the email to your Gmail account. Yeah, status is okay, right? So now let's go back to our Gmail. Let's check. See here. Yeah, here you received a mail. Earlier I tested it for one time, so this is the second time. So I got two emails. See, 0 minutes ago, this is the fresh email. See your account and to account. Okay, like this you can send email from MuleSoft email connector by using your MuleSoft application. You can play around with your email connectors, and in our next video we will see how to send attachments to this email by using the same connector. Please subscribe our channel to don't miss all the updated videos. Thank you.